Exercise 6.2. Question first. In figure, first and second, DE parallel to BC. Find EC in first and AD in second. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. Therefore, by basic proportionate theorem, remaining sides ratio, side AB ratio AD by DB is equal to side AC ratio AE by EC. AD 1.5 by BD 3 is equal to AE 1 by EC. Cross product 1.5 into EC is equal to 3 into 1. EC is equal to 3 ones are 3 by 1.5 is equal to, at the place of denominator after one number decimal point cut, take 1 0 at numerator 30 by 15. 15 ones are 15 twos are is equal to 2.